So I know I did a number of recordings on inheritance, and I tried to use all the terminology in those that you would see on the AP exam. And I think I talked your ears off about inheritance, but I want to make sure you have a couple of things straight. Remember, with an interface, we said that one class could implement multiple interfaces. So we could say class A implements comparable, comma, measurable, comma, interface XYZ, and on and on and on. So one class can implement several interfaces, but that is not true with inheritance. One class cannot extend multiple parent classes. You can't have a subclass that has multiple superclasses. One child cannot have multiple immediate parents, okay? So you can do class dog extends mammal, but you can't do, for example, and you can do class border collie extends dog, but you cannot do border collie extends dog, comma, mammal, and on and on. You can only extend from one class. So we say that that is single inheritance. And again, here's an inheritance diagram. Notice that line is a solid line going from the child to the parent. And that is single. Now, we can have multi-level. So don't confuse some languages which have multiple inheritance. They do allow multiple parents. Don't confuse that with Java's multi-level inheritance. Multi-level just means I can basically have a parent, and that parent has a parent. So I have kind of the child, parent, grandparent thing going on. But if I looked at the code for Class C, it would say Class C extends Class B. There would be no reference in that extends to Class A. So B is the immediate and single and only direct parent of Class C. Now B has a parent, and if I looked in B, it would say Class B extends Class A, and so it has a single parent here. Now the benefit for Class C is that Class C inherits everything that's in B, and because B inherits from A, C inherits from A. So if there are 3 instance variables in Class A and 2 in Class B, Class C gets all 5. Same thing with methods. So that's a benefit for Class C, but C still technically just extends Class B, and only because B extends A does C get any relationship to A. So that's multi-level. And then we have the idea of a hierarchy where I have one parent with 2 children. Okay. We really don't talk about multiple inheritance on the AP exam, although you will see references to it. Here they're talking about using interfaces. Don't put that in your mind. As far as the AP exam is concerned, there is no multiple inheritance in Java. There's no extend class B, comma, class A, comma, class XYZ. That's not allowed. And then hierarchical, remember, each child has a relationship to the parent, but the children do not have a relationship to each other just because they share a parent. Class B cannot reference anything in Class C, no methods, nothing. And Class C cannot reference any of the unique methods and variables in Class B. They both get the methods and instance variables from Class A, but they can't reference things that are unique about each other. As far as C is concerned, it does not know about B. B does not know about C, even though there is this implied familial relationship here. So hopefully, and note here, it does say multiple inheritance is not supported through the class structure in Java. So hopefully this will help you if you see a question on the AP exam asking if there's single inheritance. Yes. If there's a hierarchical relationship, potentially. If there are multiple children, yes. Multi-level is allowed as well. So those are terms you may see on the AP exam.